So I arrived here today and I spoke with Jason on the way up, and he indicated that everything is finished off. So he raised this here a little bit. I'm not sure I like it this high, because in the winter with this type of slope it'll be slippery. This is the finished product, and I will take you down. When I spoke to him last week, or actually it was Tuesday, he said that they still had about a day's work left to complete. So he did confirm that the water line had been kinked. So he dug it up and he confirmed that he fixed it. I just have to go in there to confirm that they've closed the valve before I turn on the pump. That's got a little bit of cleanup to do, but nothing compared to what I've had to do before. So the water level went a little bit down, not much though. Goodness, are we going to see monkey rock this year? And the hyacinths are in bloom over there. Very nice. Well, there was also a duck, maybe? I think there was a duck here too. Yeah, duck and a raccoon. So those are smaller prints or tracks. I'm not sure if that's a raccoon. And then there's some over here, maybe chipmunk, squirrel. Ooh, monkey. I really like their work ethic. You know, Jason made sure that all of these things were in place, and he said as he raked his way out, and he really did. So very nice. Very, very nice. I'm just going to tweak a few little things here and there. My goodness, such a difference from what was here before. I'm thoroughly impressed. This is such usable space now. I did have a concern initially when we were putting up the bunkie, and then the plans that we have for that area, with a little deck and just the plans for there. And I thought, you know, having a deck there, then no one will want to come down here to this deck other than eat. But people are not going to stay away from this area. This is so decadent, and it's just wonderful sitting here and just chilling. Okay, so it started raining and I'm not a happy camper. It's been cloudy all day, and I've just kind of been clearing that area there I love the openness of all of this. Oh my goodness. I have some flowers here that are going to bloom. The daisies, the campanella, the stone crop. So these things are not doing very well. We've had some crack, so I don't think they're going to be with us for long. So they cleared some of this out. It's more or less the same level. There will be... I was able to get these stones out, and I've done this. I'm not very happy with that stone stuff there. Yeah, I would love to have one of these cut to size to put in there, but I don't know how I'm going to get that done. So I'm going to wrap this around for it to go meet the trunk over there. That shrub I'm going to leave there. I've exposed the stone further. They did fix the pipe, but I think the pump needs to be primed, and I'm not... Yeah, I went in there twice, and I don't think I'll do it again. But yeah, so I've set these stones... Ow. I've set these stones here, so those are finished. These I'm still going to adjust. They were only put in roughly. What I'd like to do is bring this belly further in to kind of mirror that one there. So just a tad, and then bring it back, and then straight over there. There's a little bit of the belly here too. Was not intentional, but yeah, I think I would like to emphasize this belly here. So like that. So over here, initially I had this going straight over to there where they had the deck cut. I asked them to put it on the other side to start the boardwalk, which we're not going to get to for years. But anyway, so I moved it this way. Initially it was like, I just didn't like that harsh thing. I prefer the curve here more. Let's see, from here you can get a better angle. I prefer that. So they came back and added more sand to here, which is awesome. And I wanted some rockery there. So they put it all the way across to the other side. So the retaining wall is pretty good. And I really, and it was not planned at all, I love how these two trees kind of emphasize the entrance. So into the beach area and out of the beach area. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this line. Yeah, I see about 3 or 4 there that could come out just a tad. I'll have to see if it drives me bonkers. Yeah, and I'm going to bring more of the mulch to put over here, a little bit more, because I really don't want to plant anything here, and I want the moisture to stay in. I like the greenery, so I think that's so I may or may not work on this today. I have to get the pump up and going first and foremost, and hopefully it'll work. I hope, I pray. And then I'll decide what to do, because that beach is awfully appealing. My goodness. It's a little coolish today. When I was here last weekend, it was really hot and humid. So today it's more, it's around 22 and there's no humidity, so it's just beautiful. Yeah, I'm just gonna tweak some things here. Wow, I'm really impressed with the finished product and how they just how they tidied up. Like when he said, "I raked my way out," he really did, and you can see the marks all over the sand. So although you know they were here, this is phenomenal. And I love how he left the trees anchoring the space. Gotta get busy. I did a lot of leveling here, so I still think this is high. There's this massive root here. I don't know if you can see. It goes right up to the tree. I'd like to keep that as a focal point. So over there I'm going to put some hens and chicks, and up above I'm not sure what I'm going to put yet. Maybe mulch. I'm not sure, but I wanted to expose that huge rock, which I did. Those blocks, I couldn't get them to, I couldn't get a nice finish over there, and I doubt that Joe will cut those stones for me. I know they're not fun to cut. But so I put the cascading rocks there in that corner. I'm not crazy about it. So over here I have a mixture of pea gravel, 3/4 inch gravel, and just various other things. I had the white stones and it really didn't do anything for me. I'm okay with that. I found this stone. I think it looks well there. I found it over there. I don't want too much gardens. This is maintenance free. It's just spring cleanup. Those are perennials. It's just weeding, deadheading, and just spring stuff. So loving this garden. So pretty. And I've got some flowers coming in. The tick seed is really impressing me. I may have to buy some more for next year because I wouldn't mind having some on this side. I do have the rutabaga, but the rutabaga blooms in the fall. So it would be nice to have some yellow here. Look at that little campanella. So cute. So I will show you what I did here. And I'm going to check the time because I don't want to. So I started putting the mulch in there. It's a different color now. It turns brown, which I'm not crazy about. But yeah, I need another wheelbarrow for here. Finish this. This could be filled, but, and then I'd like to put a little bit more here because this is kind of a hill and this is the transition from the mulch from our trees. I love this. I don't know what it's called. It's like some kind of a moss, but I love the way it grows. Absolutely have not yet been set. I like them, but I don't think I'm up to it today. If it's like 2-3 o'clock, I'll have lunch, I'll have a coffee by the beach, and then I may do the rocks. But if it's after 4, I think I'm just gonna chill. I'll do the mulch, and I think I'm gonna do the mulch before I go in. Let me see how it looks from here. Oh, 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 look how pretty that looks. Oh my goodness.